Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube tutorial for Makerspace and STEM projects. In the last videos, I have given some project ideas how to make a DC motor, how to make a moving car. This time I want to make a walking car or a robot. So normally when we construct robot, the robot will be like a car, and many people are not really impressed with the robot looking like a toy car. So I was searching for an idea and I finally got a product. It is a ready-made kit. It is a walking robot. Very simple. It is not perfectly walking, but it is a kind of walking, a limbed walking. But I'm happy. I'm satisfied. The model is working fine. The design is very simple. I got all the components online. I just have to assemble it. There is a simple DC motor, 3 volts, and I have to give the supply by 2 AAA batteries. Then it is fine, it is working. So here the rotation motion is converted into a up and down motion using a wheel from where an arm is connected at one side instead of connecting it to the center. And there are 2 big legs for the robot, and there is a runner in the legs. So when the arm is running through the runners, it is working like a walking robot. Maybe it will be possible to modify the design still better, and we can make a perfect robot. So this one is a completely controlled robot, but it is looking like a toy car. That's what I thought about a robot which is walking perfectly like a human being. This is something like that, not perfectly like a normal human being, but it is a kind of walking. It's just using 2 legs, but the feet is very big. It is moving. Actually, in my assembly there is a small mistake. One of the wheel is little bit tilted in the assembly. I couldn't manage it even after that. So I just kept it like that. Maybe I will be able to correct it later. The wheel in the left side, it is tilting. That's why it is always turning towards the left side. It is rotating. Anyhow, it is good for me so that the robot will not fall out of my table. It can walk through the table. It is taking a circle. So this is the project idea I am going to share with you today. This is very simple. Please try it out if possible. Please try it out. And if you have any questions, please post a comment. I will definitely help you. These are all the components required. This is a semi-assemble. I am just giving an idea to myself how to put it. This is not assembled. I just kept all the things. This is a DC motor, 2 wheels. So one wheel is connected. The second one, yeah, it is working fine. This is a platform stand for fixing the motor. There are 2 small wooden pieces we have to connect like this using a glue gun. This is the battery for the motor. I use a small glue gun to fix all the wooden pieces like this. So this is the steps I am showing how I did all. Actually, I removed those feet later. I thought it is not required. So there are 2 wheels and we can fix the wheels with the motor with a screw. So this assembly is done with the motor, and on the platform it is fixed with a double side tape. The motor is fixed on the platform, and again the battery case, the battery holder is fixed on the top of the motor. I'm just testing it. Once if it is powered, it is rotating, it is fine. So now I have to fix the runners and try it out. Yes, it is moving. It is moving up and down. The feet, the legs are moving and the feet is little bit shaking. So there is an alignment problem in the left side of my wheel in the motor. I have to fix it. I will be doing it later. Let me try it out. Yeah, it is working. It is working. This is what I expect. This is working fine. I'm happy with it. The robot is ready to go. You don't require many components for assembling it. Basically, you need some wooden pieces and you have to do some work on the wooden pieces to make it in shape. Especially, you have to provide 2 runner tracks in 2 of the big wooden pieces, the legs of the robot. If you have a laser cutter, it will be very easy to finish it out. Even otherwise, you can use it with manual tools. So this is the robot. This is from MakerBlock. I bought the kit and assembled from MakerBlock. This is a programmable robot which will be having almost every programming functions. It can turn, it can detect obstacles, it can follow the lines. All sensors are detectors are fixed. Even though it is working on a wheel, when I showed this project, some of the students were not really impressed. They are telling it is not a robot, it is just a toy car. But this MakerBlock is really good. Even for visually learning programming, it's a physical computing device. You can program it using blocks. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to click a like. Please subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like it, please share with your friends and please try the project by yourself. Just watching the video is not enough. Please try it out. If you have any questions, please post a comment. I will be surely answering your questions. Thank you.